This BTR 4K HDMI Digital Microscope Camera delivers crisp, ultra-high-definition imaging that makes tiny details stand out clearly on a compatible display. The high-sensitivity IMX334 CMOS sensor and fine pixel size give it excellent clarity and color accuracy for both scientific and industrial work. Direct HDMI output and simultaneous Type-C computer connectivity make it easy to switch between standalone viewing and software-based analysis. The included remote control lets you adjust menus, capture photos, and start video recording without touching the camera, which is especially helpful during delicate procedures. Support for fast frame rates, on-screen measurement tools, grid lines, and multiple aspect ratios makes this camera very versatile for inspection, teaching, and documentation. Its compact aluminum alloy housing, wide operating temperature range, and straightforward setup make it a durable and practical choice for labs, workshops, and classrooms.